Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Samsung Microwave Oven MW7300B, a kitchen appliance designed to make cooking quicker and more convenient. With its innovative features and sleek design, this microwave oven promises to be a great addition to any modern kitchen. Let's dive into the details and see what makes the Samsung MW7300B stand out. Design and build quality. The Samsung MW7300B is built with both functionality and aesthetics in mind. Sleek and modern design, the microwave features a stylish, streamlined design that complements any kitchen decor. Stainless steel finish. The durable stainless steel finish is not only elegant but also easy to clean and maintain. Compact size. Despite its powerful features, the MW7300B is designed to fit comfortably on your countertop without taking up too much space. Capacity and cooking power. The MW7300B offers ample space and power for all your cooking needs. 1.1 cubic feet capacity. The generous interior space accommodates large dishes, making it ideal for family meals. 1,000 watts cooking power. With 1,000 watts of power, the microwave ensures fast and even cooking. Advanced features. The Samsung MW7300B is packed with advanced features to enhance your cooking experience. Power convection technology combines convection cooking with powerful microwave heating for faster, more even cooking results. Grill function. The integrated grill allows you to brown and crisp your food, giving it a delicious finish. Slim fry technology. Enjoy healthier fried foods with less oil thanks to the innovative slim fry technology. Sensor cooking. Automatically adjusts cooking time and power based on the moisture levels of your food, ensuring perfect results every time. User-friendly controls. Operating the MW7300B is straightforward thanks to its intuitive controls. Touch control panel. The easy-to-use touch control panel offers a seamless user experience. Pre-programmed settings. Choose from a variety of preset cooking programs for common dishes, simplifying the cooking process. Eco mode. Save energy with the Eco mode, which reduces standby power consumption. Cooking versatility. The Samsung MW7300B offers a range of cooking options to suit your culinary needs. Defrost function. Quickly and evenly defrost food with the dedicated defrost function. Reheat mode. Reheat leftovers without overcooking or drying them out. Auto cook options. Enjoy a variety of auto cook options for different types of food, from vegetables to meats. Interior features. The interior of the MW7300B is designed for easy use and maintenance. Ceramic enamel interior. The durable ceramic enamel interior is scratch-resistant and easy to clean. Turntable. The large turntable ensures even cooking and can accommodate large dishes. Safety features. Safety is a priority with the Samsung MW7300B. Child lock. The child lock function prevents accidental use, ensuring safety in homes with children. Overheat protection. The microwave is equipped with overheat protection to prevent overheating and potential hazards. Price and value. The Samsung MW7300B offers excellent value for its price, combining advanced features, reliable performance, and stylish design. It's a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen appliances. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Samsung Microwave Oven MW7300B is a versatile and powerful appliance that can handle a wide range of cooking tasks with ease. Its advanced features, user-friendly controls, and stylish design make it a standout choice for any kitchen. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.